Hey guys, we're about to head out of town, but before we leave, I wanted to do 2 salad bowls of a spinach and lettuce.
We got the Bibs, American Seeds, and this is a premium pack. We got the bird peas, loose leaf blend, and this is gardenary. Hers is a mixture as well. So we're gonna put some in my hand, and we're gonna sprinkle them into the variety of lettuce is Bib. Bird pea lettuce, loose leaf blend, right here. Now we have the gardenary one. Soil, here's the pot blend. I mixed this the other day. Mixed up this the other day. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and wet it up first. Or no, I'm just gonna sprinkle them in and wet the soil for a nice salad blend. So they all sprinkled in there. And I got some soil beside me. I'm not gonna put a lot, but put that up on top, like that. And we're gonna water this thing in. You see guys, it's all watered in. And we're gonna see what happens. This is the lettuce bowl. So let me see if I can get the spinach bowl in before we go.
On the road. This is the spinach bowl.
Berry Morse, spinach baby leaf. We got the Survival Garden Seeds Noble. And we got the Gardenary spinach. I'm not sure what type that she has in her package. It says salad greens right there. This is the Fairy Morris seeds. Trying to get it clear. That's the Survival seeds, the Noble. Gotta focus. That's the Gardenary seeds, like in the cracks in my hand. Let's see what God do. I'm gonna drop one. There we go. Some hands in there. And we're gonna put a little bit of soil on them. Sorry, I'm not showing y'all now. Okay, we got that. Mix it up. Take that out. Mix it up. And now it's time to water it. Oh my gosh, all dirty. But it's alright. I can brush it off. Water this in really good. So the seeds can come alive and germinate. That's good, guys. We got it watered down really good. It's probably not the best time of the day to do it, but we're gonna get it done. That's the goodness of gardening, your trials and errors. So we're gonna put both of them, let them get some sunlight, and we're gonna see what happens. The spinach is in the gray one, and the lettuce is in the black one, 10-inch pots. And these pots were from the dollar store. We got good drainage holes. I put in them. Okay, I really gotta go. This is my big pot that I put collards in. So I put Georgia, Bates, champion. And then I put mustard seeds on the edges of them. I think this is one. Also, it's a private selection white boiler sweet onions. This kind that's pollen. It's all over my patio. But this is the kind I got. Let's wipe it off so y'all can see. somewhat. I tried to. But this is what I got. And I just planted them in, and they're going to be acting like green onions for me. So I'm going to cut them as green onions. And they're coming in nice. So everything is starting to come in. I'm not going to water this today. I'm going to water it tomorrow. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, let's sow and grow with purpose.